manufacturing program at Mediapolis. So like in manufacturing 1, we'll do stick welding, MIG welding, small engines, and TIG welding. I feel that especially the welding program has really helped to sharpen my welding skills and will help prepare me for my future. Things like more welders, because if you get some of them big class periods, like I remember last year we had 22 kids, we're all huddling each other in the same welding booth trying to get our welds done. So yeah, more welders, updated vents, and as far as the small engine or engine repair, just some updated tools, more organization. It's all kind of crowded in there. We have 8 MIG welders, 6 TIG welders, and 7 stick welders. But most of our stick and TIG welders are multi-purpose, so they do stick, MIG, and TIG. So you can't weld, at the most you'll have 3 TIG welders and 3 MIG welders. You can't do it all at once. But last year when we were welding on them, one thing I noticed is we needed more mobility with our welders. We couldn't get them exactly where they needed to go, and we had too many projects going on. So on the workbench we had a different project. We actually ended up putting the handrails on top of that project and clamping it down to kind of use as a brace. And with more space or more tables or better mobility with the welders or something of that sort, it would have been much easier, and we may have got the project finished up last year. We only ended up getting it about half done. So I think more organization, newer tools, better tools, and just developing the manufacturing program more would be extremely beneficial for our new Career Tech Center. I think with a new Career Tech Center, through FFA and the shop program, I think we can do a lot more community service projects, just having more space and more tools and better tools at our disposal.